Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to do another hair video. I showed it in my previous video. I've wanted to try this. I saw the picture and I said why not. So I got the stuff, some elastic, some hair down, and Kanekolon hair. Actually got 2 packs of these because I'm not sure. I'm gonna cut them in half. I'm not sure how much I'll actually need, but since my head is kind of big, I even kind of my head is big, so it's going. I don't know how much hair it will take. This is $3.50. You know me, I'm not a person who likes to wear black hair. So I washed my hair earlier today and I blow dried. It was actually the first time I've ever used blow. Not the first. I don't like using it because I found that my hair tends to feel dry after, so I kind of avoid using the blow dryer. But my cousin told me to rub some oil on it first before you blow dry it. Use a comb thing and just blow dry it, and it actually feels moisturized. You can see that, right? So yeah. I oiled the scalp already too, so we're actually good to go. I actually got this new stuff on my hair, dandruff eezi dry scalp treatment. I have problems with dandruff and I don't want it to get back to that state where it's like really bad. So it's actually not bad on the hair. It doesn't have a smell. It really doesn't have a smell. It's just no smell at all. And I put it on my hair and it actually, there was no feeling at all. So it actually feels like you have nothing in there. And it's a mess. But I'm gonna probably just plastic up the hair. I really do hope this fits me. I wanted to try, like, apart from the picture, I wanted to do something different, like the hair coming down to the side. I don't know if that would fit me, but let's begin. I don't want to do them too small. I don't want to do them too big either. So let's begin. Hopefully I get this right. Alright, so the back is a decent size. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the back in 2 actually. I'm not going to do the elastic tight because remember we're going to braid the hair in, so I'm gonna use 2 elastic each. Alright, so just to make sure it's in the center. I really hope hair looks appropriate for work. You know, they're kind of old-fashioned at my workplace, and I hope my hairstyle doesn't cause a problem, because I kind of had a problem the first time I came with the colored hair, which it kind of dulled down a bit. After a while the color kind of faded, not as bright as it was, but you guys see the color here that I put in. I've been wearing burgundy a lot lately. I know I seem to have a problem, so it'll take a 10 minutes a bit. Right, so that's the first 2. I wonder if I should do the ones at the side first. Okay, so I decided I am going to actually leave out some at the side of. Actually, look like the marker back between. Doesn't look as bad as it used to. It's good. It's a process. It's a process. All the white stuff that you've seen is the the dandruff thing that I was telling you about. Just in case you're wondering. Like this. Look. A bit too big. Size of down a bit. But let's stick up this real quick. Okay, so now that I've already elastic all the hair, I think it's about 12. I am going to start with the braiding, which, yeah, looking at it now, I'm gonna buy 2 pack of braids. If it's not enough, I have some extra hair laying around the place somewhere, so I'll just use those. I'm going to cut this in half because I don't think it needs to be long. Again, my first time attempting this. So there, put these together. What I'm going to do, you know, because you want to have something to platter with, just to make everything uneven, I guess. Just pull them apart like this. Make sure when you're doing this, you hold on to the hair strong enough, because you don't, you know, you'll see once I'm finished what I'm doing. Okay, so this is how it looks. Really. Alright, so let's again, first time doing this hairstyle, so I think I'm gonna use this much. Probably a little bit more, probably a little bit more. Yeah, about this much. Let's see. So I'm not going to plait this out fully, I'm just going to twist out the end just to make it move faster, my process move faster. Because at the end of the day, this is what is going to wrap around the hair. So it's not like it's going to show. I don't think it's going to show. So I had to do a voiceover, guys, sorry about that. I ended up using the second pack of Kanekolon here, I fluffed the hair, as you can see in the video. Didn't take very long. Then I started to braid the hair as I was previously doing. So now that I have actually finished braided all the hair, this is the part that we all came for. So by holding the root of the hair, you just wrap it until you have like a tight ball. I was considered a ball. We call it shiny bump, but Bantu not. Okay. I just continue doing this. I did not wrap it as tight because honestly sleeping on it was crazy. But I'll leave all that information in the description down below. And I just wrapped out all the hair. Yeah. So that was the finished hairstyle. I used the edge booster to just touch up the edges, as you can see. Gotta fix those baby hairs. Well, lock there off because there's not much edges, but whatever. Yeah, and that's it. That's the hairstyle. I actually liked how it came out. I thought it was cute. But tell me what you guys think. I'll leave all the items that I use in the description below. So ask away. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. So until next time, bye guys.